What's up my YouTube family? Welcome back to another episode of Whatcha Cookin Glenda. Welcome to my new subscribers. If you are in here and you are watching this video, make sure you click the like button, make sure that you hit that subscribe button and click the notification bell so that you can be notified every time we upload a new cooking video. Also, make sure that you watch the video to the end and share so we can grow our channel. We are on the road to 1,000 subscribers and we are almost there. We are almost there. So I know we can do it. I know we can do it. Share, share, share. In this video, I am showing you how to make my frozen spinach. Yeah, it's cooked, but it starts off frozen, of course. So, what I have here is 2 10-ounce. Y'all remember these old school boxes of spinach back in the day? I have 2 of these, and we're going to mix them up. We're going to add a little bit of water to this pan with some chicken bouillon, along with this onion and bacon that I have here. Let it come to a nice boil, and then we're going to add both of these boxes of spinach in there, and then that's going to be it. It's very quick, it's very simple, it's easy to do. It's a nice addition to any meal that you may have. If you want to put it with some chicken, baked chicken, fried chicken, meatloaf, whatever it is that you want to add spinach to, this is a good addition, a good side dish. So we'll be right back, and I'll meet you guys at the stove so that we can cook our spinach. Welcome back. We're at the stove, and just a reminder, what we're cooking is some frozen spinach. What I have in this pot, as I explained earlier, I have some bacon, which I think I put about 3 slices of bacon, and I just chopped them down real small. And then I have like a quarter of an onion that I chopped down really small as well. And what I'm going to add, I have my stove on a high heat right now so that it can come to a boil. And I'm just opening up the spinach over here. This is what it looks like. Frozen little block of spinach. And this is chopped spinach. They have whole leaf spinach as well. You are welcome to use whichever spinach floats your boat. I'm just opening them up so that we are ready to go. Alright, we're going to go in with a little bit of, y'all know my chicken bouillon. I love my Nourish chicken bouillon. That's why I buy such a big container of it. I use it often. So, and that will be my husband if you guys heard that. He is watching the Dallas Cowboys play. And they just made a little touchdown. So, this is probably to start about, I don't know, a good teaspoon and a half. Y'all know I don't really measure, but we don't want to over salt the dish. And that's all the seasoning besides a little bit of black pepper that we'll add to this. That's all the seasoning that it's going to need. Now, if you want to be fancy with it and start putting you some, sauteing you some garlic and all of that good ahead. But this is just a quick and easy, simple side dish. Like I said, can go with any weeknight recipe that you may have, and it's just something quick and simple. We've got a good little boil or a little simmer. I'm gonna mix this in. You just flavor in your water at this point, and you see I didn't put very much water. I didn't put very much water in there because this is frozen spinach, so as it cooks, it's gonna let off its own water and start to steam and cook for you. So we'll add this one little square in there like so. And then we'll put our other one in there. And then as it unthaws in the pot, you're just going to just kind of break it down like so. Of course, it's not ready yet, but you'll just break it down like so. And what we're going to do is turn this stove down. Okay, so this is on a high heat, and as I mentioned earlier, as it begins to break down and unthaw in your liquid here, in your seasoned liquid, you can come back and just kind of break it down. And then once you break it all down, we're gonna put it on a low heat and just put a top on it and let it simmer and let it do its thing for, I don't know, maybe 10 minutes or so. Once it breaks down, you can definitely follow the instructions that are on the container in your box. But you want to cook it for about 8 to 10 minutes, and then you've got some good spinach. So we'll be back in just a minute when this kind of breaks down some, so you can see what it looks like. So we are back. I just wanted you to see how the spinach breaks down. This is still a little chunk right here, but as you can see, it's breaking down. It definitely released more water than what we had in there, but it is nice and flavorful. At this point, I'm just going to add a little bit of black pepper. I'm just going to add a little bit of black pepper, not much. It's just going to help it bring out that flavor. That's probably 1/4 of a teaspoon, if that. And just give that a mix. And we're going to turn this on low so that it can finish thawing out in the pan. And we're going to put our top on it. And you're going to let it cook until it is done. So we'll be back and show you what this looks like when it's all